how to sell all crypto on Binance. So in order to sell all crypto on Binance, you'll have to make sure that your account is verified. Only if your account is verified, then you'll be able to make transaction. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and open up your Binance application. And once you're logged into your account, it's going to take you to the home page. Over here, go ahead and tap on the trade icon located right at the bottom, and then click on the buy button. So go ahead and select the asset that you wish to sell. In my case, I'm going to go with the Bitcoin. As soon as you're done selecting the Bitcoin options, over here you'll be asked to enter in the exact amount that you wish to sell and all that. But before that, go ahead and tap the sell button in order to change the transaction. So once you've done with that, enter in the exact amount of Bitcoin that you're selling and click the sell button located right at the bottom. Next interface is going to ask you to go through all of the transaction and all that, and within a couple of days later you'll be notified that all the cryptos has been sold. So that is how you can sell all crypto on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.